climb inside the 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.